Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and I hope you all are doing good and taking care of yourself. I know that this video has been delayed. Sorry for that, but I'm again on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can decorate your keychain with this air dry clay heart, and it's very easy to make it. You can see that the dazzling effect in it of paint and glitter on it, and it's looking super duper gorgeous when you're going to hang your keys in it, and it's going to look very gorgeous. So let's get started. So for this, as you know that we are going to make it with air dry clay, so of course we are going to need hardener and resin base. I am using air dry clay of Shilp Car. If you don't want to do this mixing, you can just take any clay which is already mixed. So I am taking this and mixing it very nicely. I've taken little powder on my palm, so I can mix it very well and it just not stick on my palm. So mixing process is very important. If you not mix it well, it will not be smooth and soft. So for mixing it well, I have applied a little powder on my disc as well. So I can just mash up it and mix it very properly, as it's very important. So continue mixing it till it becomes soft and color has been becoming white. So after mixing my clay very well, I have taken this poly bag on my desk. So what activity I am going to do with my clay, it can take out easily. Now I am taking a bottle cap and going to press it on my clay so it can become flat, and I have applied a little powder on my cap, so if we are going to press it, our clay is going to stick, so it can come out easily. I have taken here bottle cap, as well as you can also take any rolling surface to make it surface flat, as you want our surface little flat. As you can see that I have added little powder, so my clay is taken out very easily and smoothly. Now I have cutted one heart out of it, and I am going to place it on it and going to cut a heart base. So I've added little powder on it so it can be smooth. I'm going to press it on it, and you can see that it's going to become a heart. Now here I am going to take my clay cutter, as well as you can also take a paper cutter. If you are having a clay cutter, it's a good option. I prefer to use a clay cutter so it can be cutted very easily without any disruption in it. So cut it very nicely until you get a proper heart shape in that. So you can see that I am cutting easily with my paper cutter. Don't cut it directly, otherwise it will not properly cut it. Make little parts on the clay and then cut, so it is easily to cut. And if you are not able to cut properly, just cut little halfly and press the edges inside. So it can also be a good option to cut if you are not able to cut it. So you can see that I have cutted my heart very properly, and now I am going to take out that little heart, and you can see that I am also pressing the edges as if any part of a clay is left. So I am going to tuck it inside and get a proper heart shape. So now you can see that clay cutting process is completely done, and I have taken out my heart. As you can see that it's completely done. Actually one part was left in the middle, so I have also cutting that and making it whole heart shape. So it's done. As we are making a key ring, it's important to make a hole in it for hanging our jump ring in it. So I'm taking a pen and I'm making a small hole. Don't make a very much big hole as it's okay. So yeah, cut it very properly. So yeah, a hole is done to hang our jump ring. So now you can see that my air dry clay heart is completely dried and also it has become hard, you can see. And now we are going to decorate it, my favorite part. Now for decorating it, we are going to need 2 shades of acrylic paints, little glitter to decorate it, and Mod Podge or varnish to seal it, and some paint brushes. So firstly, I'm going to use white and red paint, and I've also added a poly bag at the back so that it cannot be messed up. So I've taken my 2 colors. Now I'm going to open it and yeah, we are going to decorate it. So firstly, we are going to need a base white. So I'm going to color my whole base white. As you can see, it just totally depends on you what shade you are using to do your color. Even you can make a galaxy like raisin effect or anything, as we are going to make a little raisin effect and like this. So firstly you have to color your base whole white, and as you can see that I am also doing our base white. Now to make a dazzling effect, I am taking little red color and applying it some places like this and mixing it with white color to give it like a dazzling effect. Again add little white, mix it with red, and yeah, you can see the pattern is start making. Not mix it very hardly or with pressure. Take your hands, be patient and start mixing it. Again I'm taking a little white on some places, mixing it and making a dazzling effect. So now you can see that I have done this whole dazzling and it's looking perfect. Now again I'm going to take little white color and going to add it on the edges or on the middle and going to make a type of flowing heart of effect. As you can see that I'm firstly adding it on the corner of it and mixing it with red like this. You have to do experiments with it and yeah, you are going to get a very nice pattern. You can see that how beautiful it's looking. Even when it's going to dry, it's going to give the super duper effect of it and yeah, you're going to love it. So yeah, just continue mixing it like this to experiment with it and yeah, you're going to get a gorgeous effect. Now you can see that my dazzling effect is done. Now I'm going to take little glitter and going to sparkle it on. So yeah, just keep your paintbrush aside. Let's decorate it. So you can see this dazzling effect is looking perfect. Now I'm going to take golden glitter and going to sparkle on it. You can just take any glitter, as I have given the idea of making a galaxy effect. So in that you can just add silver glitter and according to your color and matching purpose. So yeah, I'm taking little glitter on my hand and sparking it everywhere, so yeah, it can just give little shine. So yeah, now you can see that after sparkling it's looking beautiful. So yeah, now let it dry. So you can see that after drying it's looking so beautiful and gorgeous, and the sparkling dust was also looking beautiful and real. And at the back I have colored little red color as it was looking simple and not matching. So I have colored it red. Now for hanging a keychain, I'm going to take this jump ring and keychain. So I'm going to insert my jump ring into the hole which we have created, and I'm going to take my plier and close it. So yeah, our air dry clay cannot be come out. So yeah, close it very well as I am closing. Now I'm going to take my keychain and I'm going to insert it inside the jump ring and also close that with the help of plier. So yeah, it's done, and yeah, it's completely looking awesome, and yeah, it's going to look more awesome when you're going to hang your keys inside it, and yeah, it's going to look very gorgeous. And yeah, if you have any query about it, so yeah, just let me know in the comment section. I will clear that all. So yeah, subscribe our channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, meet you again in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thanks for watching.